Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have the essentials, a code file and a console. Start by adding console. Log hello or console. Log variable at the point you want insight. Run the script node or browser and observe output. This first step validates the runtime and confirms your path. Once done, make sure the message appears and note timestamps or source links in the console. They tell you where the log originated. This quick check saves time before deeper debugging. Now you deepen inspection. You'll log primitives, objects, arrays, and formatted strings. Use console. Log for quick prints, template literals for inline context, and console. Table to visualize arrays of objects as rows, this makes patterns obvious. For nested data, console, dir or JSON. Stringify with spacing gives readable structure, console. Dir shows non-enumerable properties. Also log multiple arguments to avoid concatenation mistakes. Make sure to label logs so you can distinguish repeated outputs when tracing execution flow. Finish by controlling and cleaning your logs. Measure performance with console. Time/console. Time end, group-related messages with console. Group and remove noisy logs before production. Use environment checks or log levels to disable debug output without changing code paths. If you don't see expected logs, first confirm the code ran where you think. Check source maps, async timing, and whether consoles are suppressed in tests or frameworks. One key troubleshooting tip. Add a unique timestamp or marker to verify a specific execution. Reach that point.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.